Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am I am honored to be here in front of you to say about the Rohingya Genocide Remembrance Day, which is remarkable as the world's largest refugee camp in Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh. So first of all, I would like to thank the Bangladesh government and the people of the Bangladesh to given us this opportunity to stay here in the refugee camp as well. So I would like to ask the international community to help us. So why the international community is still keeping silent? So we want justice. So we want our right. We want our dignity and respect. So it's been more than a few days ago. The it's been more than a few days ago. The Rakhine AA terrorists were killed, especially in Mondo and Butidong. Were killed thousands of people and gang raped women and girls. Why the international community is still keeping silent? Please help us. We need your help. So uh, we are staying here. It's been more than 8 years ago that we are staying here in Bangladesh refugee camps. So we don't want to stay here anymore. We have a country. Our country is Myanmar. We want to go back Myanmar with our full right. So we don't want to survive here in the brutal life in the refugee camp. We want to go back with our we want to go back our homeland, our motherland. So please help us, the international community. Okay, thank you so much.